Gentle ka na?
Bago kong SE nga pala.
We told them about how these are all natural diamonds.
Yeah. So we are selling this for 750,000 pesos only. Malapit ka lang ma'am. Tumawid ka lang ng McKinsey. Nandito ka na.
So it's so easy. There's a button here. You just have to press and hold.
Ba't mo tinanggal agad? Higit pa ni ma'am.
Hindi.
Wala mo si ma'am. Nagtatry out kasi siya as sales assistant dito sa Jetty. Comment kayo kung pwede ba?
Kailangan nila ng panyo.
Sino kinakatong mo dyan, ha?
Another deal tayo ngayon. Kasama natin
Hugas.
si Mr. Biceps. Magandang hapon po. Content choices ni ma'am. Ma'am, sidekick ko nga pala. Imported pa yan.
My name is Andrew. From USA po. You got the iced out. What's nice about this iced out po is they use natural diamonds.
Yeah.
Very good quality diamonds. They were still able to maintain all of the original shapes of Cartier. It's hard to do.
Dami in-explain naman. Kaya ako sinama. Madaming alam yan eh.
Mahilig din talaga ako sa Cartier.
This is the WSS A0018 reference. Tapos iced out. Tanggalin natin yung plastic, ma'am.
So she can see the
para
shimmer.
ma-appreciate mo yung view.
Gentle ka na?
Bago kong SE nga pala.
I told them about how these are all natural diamonds.
Yeah.
And it's very hard to do.
Uy, sa atin to, boy.
Ano ba yan? Nagamasahe na ako.
Yung isa ko pang assistant, ma'am. Ito imported din to galing dito. Ito US, ito Middle East. Ito ma'am, yung kagandahan dito sa Cartier, sobrang dali i-adjust nung link niya. Kahit pindot lang, may button siya dito. Pagka pinress mo, lalabas yung link. You can just simply pull it out, tapos detach na siya. So
And then,
sobrang dali niya i-adjust.
One way you can also find out, madam, if the diamonds were done properly, is that all of these functions still work. Because if it's not done properly, hindi na babalik mo maayos yung links.
Usually sasabit na siya. Kasi ginagawa pag kina-ice out, dinidrill mo one hole at a time para dun mo isushoot yung diamond. So pagkasablay yung gumawa, usually madadali yung function. Hindi na siya easy link.
Bicep, galingan mo ha.
Mas tumatakas
Benta
ka
ka
na.
na marami. Hindi, dito ako. Nag-check ako ng may barilo.
Benjo, fun fact.
Cartier Santos was actually the first ever wristwatch made. It was made for the pilot, Alberto Santos Dumont. So it was actually the Santos Dumont that was first. But then this is the reiteration, the newer one. Same shape, just more modern. That's why it's still timeless. Imagine it's over 100 years old, the original model. But up to now, everyone still wants it.
Tapos yung pilot na si Alberto
Santos Dumont.
Santos Dumont was from South America. So nasa Southern Hemisphere sila. Yung may mga Santos Dumont, yung face niya is pabaliktad. So 1 o'clock up to 11 o'clock, pabaliktad siya, counterclockwise siya. Kasi sa Southern Hemisphere, yung mga tawag doon, sundials. Baliktad yung reading nila sa sundial. So counterclockwise siya. Ma'am, taga-isa mo kayo?
Makati.
First hindi, naka-Rolex mo, nakita ko. First Cartier mo.
Yes.
Ito yung pag-change ng bracelet.
So it's so easy. There's a button here. You just have to press and hold.
Ba't mo tinanggal agad? Higit pa ni ma'am.
Hindi.
Wala mo si ma'am.
Now you can try it on and see all the diamonds shining.
Ganda mo.
Ba't iced out ang motivo mo? Fan ka ng Cartier or ano?
Yung sa diamond niya.
So iced out talaga gusto mo? Kasi meron din kami actually iced out ng mga Datejust na Rolex. Pero ito yung mas iconic, mas sumikat yung iced out na
Kaya-
Santos. So we are selling this for 750,000 pesos only. Malapit ka lang ma'am, tumawid ka lang ng McKinsey, nandito ka na. Kasi usually sinasabi nila panggas daw eh. Adjust natin ma'am, dear Sure ka na?
Oh, sure.
Hindi na tumawag si madam.
Di na. Kaya nga sinabi ko, sure ka na.
Kaya nandito ako.
Kaya sinabi ko, sure ka na ma'am. Pero tatawag ka pa talaga ma'am. Baka wag na. Dandil coffee agad. Paano ba yan ma'am? Dandil na.
Libreng coffee.
Ma'am, fit niyo po. Bit loose pa.
Okay.
Okay na siya. Okay na ma'am, dandil na tayo. So we're selling this for 750,000 pesos. And yung priced out kasi namin, like what Enzo said nga, explain. Kasi mahirap talaga siyang gawin.
Okay.
So we get it from a trusted supplier na kampante kami sa quality ng gawa. So yung peace of mind mo nandun. If something goes wrong, less likely for something to go wrong, but if something does go wrong, may mababalikan ka. Kaya mo pagkakatiwalaan yung
Yes.
gumawa.
With the nice ones kasi, if you see it done well, ang ganda ng lakad ng diamonds.
Yeah.
Now there are some that aren't put on that well. Minsan pag natamaan talaga yung watch, nahuhulog.
Oh.
This one, pag may
Bungi-bungi.
nahulog, si Patrick mismo babalik na yun.
Actually, common yun nakikita mo bungi-bungi na yung
Yeah.
diamond.
Yes,
Kaya natatanggal yung bato.
Natatanggal.
Yes. Higher quality setting siya, so mas secure siya. Kaya, ganun yung price. 750,000. I-discount kita, ma'am, less than 1,000.
Laki nun.
740,000. Ang dali ko! Sabi ko! Dapat pala 5,000. Joke lang. Pero, ayun nga, ma'am. Like I said, yung quality ng setting and yung
Yes.
integrity ng case is guaranteed. Done deal na tayo sa 740. Madali ka usap si ma'am.
I-reserve din nga ni Ma'am yung isang ice out dali sa
Talaga ba?
Back it up.
Wow!
para sa daughter niya dan sa husband.
Meron kayong done deal.
Ano premium? TWR?
Pakinggan ko?
Hindi, joke lang.
Ito yung bago nating kulay.
Tapos madam, dahil ka sa shop ko, TWR.
Uy,
ibibigay na.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Congrats.
Thank
Very
you,
nice
advance. Congratulations.
Yes.
Dandi tayo, iced out, large.
It's a very quick moving watch.
Pag okay ito, pwede yun. Nagta-try out kasi siya as sales assistant dito sa Jet. Pwede,
Ah.
pwede na tingin nyo. Comment kayo kung pwede ba,
Kailangan nila ng konyo. Isa pa konyo. Let's go.
Guys, so ihahatid na natin yung bagong sales natin.
Yes,
Hindi
I'll come
pumasa.
back tomorrow.
Hindi pumasa, masyadong pabida. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Bo.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you guys next time.
Ayun, ninatid na natin yung bagong sales assistant. Babalik na siya sa sarili niyang shop. Kasi nakitake over lang siya dito eh. Nakabenta tayo ng iced out WSSA 0018 na Santos Large. O paano ba? Ano pa? Outro, bye-bye!